See, the last class I started what is called deforming force. Now I am going to tell what is the restoring force. What do you mean by restoring force? See, this only we have done. Think about the same picture. This is the rubber cord. Okay. Now, at certain distance x1, consider a molecule here. It is at a distance, and I am applying a force. This is called what? Deforming force. When I apply, consider a particle at A here. It is a fixed position. This is a rubber cord or elastic body, perfect elastic body. A is a molecule which is at a distance x1. Now when you apply a force of say 10 Newton or 20 Newton, I apply, what will happen? There is an elongation. There is an elongation. From here, this L1 to position L2 it has come. L1 is this much distance. L2 is this much distance. Now what happens? This A shifted to A dash. That means here L changes to L dash. Suppose 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter extension has taken place. What is extension? 10 millimeter. What is this? Going to be 10 millimeter? What about this extension? This is a maximum extension. Here, what about the maximum extension at any distance is called 3 millimeter. What about the extension here? Extension is equal to 0. Therefore, there is an extension. When you remove this, it will come back to the original position. Can you follow? Therefore, what is internal force? What is the internal force? When a body here, when you remove this, what happens? There is an internal force acting in each section. See, here there is an internal force, here also internal force acting the direction. There is an internal force which brings back to this original position. It's called a restoring force. This is also called what? A restoring force. Therefore, what do you mean by restoring force? A restoring force is the one which an internal force or restoring force. I can write like this. Wait a minute. Here an external force or deforming force, but there is an internal force. This is called what? Internal force or a restoring force is acting inside the body, which is responsible for the body to come back to its original position. That means this is also called elastic force. What is the elastic force? Internal force or elastic force or a restoring force. All one and the same. Therefore, what is restoring force is also called elastic force or internal force or a restoring force. The restoring force that develops within the body, here and all within the body brings back the displaced molecule. It is a displaced molecule to its original position. Alright? That is what? After removal of deforming force. Therefore, what is the elasticity? The question they'll ask. What is elasticity? For that question. Elasticity is the property of the material by virtue of which. What do I mean by virtue of which? Because of this property, it regains its original shape and size after the removal of deforming force. See, you have to develop your communication skill. Whatever you understood, you have to tell in the exact English. That develops your language skill, comprehensive skill, your presentation skill, everything stands on that. Therefore, think that every class is you are showcasing yourself, your personality. Whatever the teacher teaches, just you understand that how best you can present better than the teacher. How I am going to best present in the examination is the matter. Now, what is the plastic? And another thing I just want to tell is what is perfectly elastic, perfectly plastic. A body, say example, if it is exactly regain its original position, it is called perfectly plastic. It's called perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic. if it is regain its original position. Suppose you pull the body, right? You pull this body, it remain like this. It is not change its shape. That is called perfectly plastic. After removal of the deforming force, it is not regain its original position. It's called perfectly plastic. Is it clear? Then the question what they may ask you, define perfectly elastic, perfectly plastic. For that you have to answer. See now, before starting, just I gone through everything. In the examination, see how to prepare the notes. Notes is like this. Take the screenshot if you want. See, the deformation force is the external force. That external force makes the body to change in its position of their molecules. Right? Then again what? After deformation force is removed, the body comes to original shape and size. Then you say the body is elastic. Why it is coming back? Because of restoring force or elastic force or internal force. Second one, what is internal force or elastic force or restoring force? Restoring force, it is the internal force that develops within the body, brings back the displacement molecule to its original position. That is after removal of external force. It's called internal force. What is elasticity? Is the property of a material by virtue of which it regains its original size and after removal of deforming force. Important. Okay. Next, what is perfectly plastic, perfectly elastic? A body regains its original configuration completely and immediately after removal of deforming force from it is called perfectly elastic. Example, quartz and phosphorus bronze. If it is not deforming after, if it is does not regain its original configuration, it is called perfectly plastic. Example, paraffin wax. This is the thing you have to do it.